Today got the first mod for the car, which is as I mentioned in the other video, it's the PPF coating or PPF cover for the car. As you can see, it's not noticeable. Looks really good. And V&H Styling and Amersfoort did this, so they did an amazing job with the car. So shout out to them. Like I said, the car is looking outstanding. Looks like it's exactly the same as the matte paint. So the Expel PPF that they applied is fucking amazing. So great. Literally, it looks exactly the same. Actually, I think it's better because I also requested for them to apply the ceramic coating. So yeah, it's looking great, as you can see. So first mod done. Hopefully this will last for a little bit. So ceramic coating on top of the PPF is a amazing combo for if you have a car that is a matte paint. So forgot to mention as well, this car has a full PPF, so the whole car is covered, which is pretty good. Yeah, it's quite pricey, but I think it's worth it. If you want to maintain your car easily, this is what you need to do. Or you can do a front end, which is, you know, they'll protect your car on the front whenever you're in the highway. But you know, I just wanted to just do them all. So yeah. So there you have it. A quick video on this PPF mod. You can see there's a water spots there. We tested the ceramic coating on it, and it just expels the water. So yeah, but there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.